who is the Buddha? Now Buddha, who was Prince Siddharta, and how did he come? How did he become Buddha? Prince Siddharta was born 2,600 and I think 64 years before, in the foothills of Himalayas, in the kingdom, a Sakya kind of kingdom. And when he was born, the Indian palmists, or those who could see the signs on the body, told his father that this boy would either become the greatest emperor in the world, or he become a greatest teacher. So of course his father wanted him to become emperor. And he grew up into a very, very powerful, learned, wise, kind and compassionate, very, very strong prince. But when he grew up, he came to realize that, even if he became the most powerful emperor, he would not be able to get rid of all the sufferings and all the problems of all the people. Because there are lots of things that you cannot do anything. Like everybody becomes old, everybody becomes sick one time or another, everybody dies, everybody gets things that they don't want to get, everybody cannot get everything that they want to get. So therefore there is always suffering, pain, problem. Then he started to think, is it really like that? There is no hope, there is nothing. Then he saw a monk, and they said that these people want to free themselves from all kind of causes of suffering because they want to transform themselves from within. So he was inspired by that, and then he left his kingdom, his father, his loving wife, his child, everything, in search of a way how to transform yourself, how to find a way to get rid of all the sufferings and pain and problems for all the people. He met some of the greatest minds of that time, great masters. He studied with them, he practiced with them, and then he meditated with lots of, ascetic, penance, for about 6 years. And then under the Bodhi tree, he had this, what we call Buddhahood, awakening. He understood, he experienced how to transform from within, so that all your negative emotions, all your neuroses, all your habitual tendencies can disappear because you see things very clearly, and so therefore your wisdom, your compassion, all your innate positive qualities become totally awakened, blossomed. And anybody who becomes like that is a Buddha. And since then, he was teaching people, how to bring that in yourself, how to reduce and get rid of all the causes of problems and pain and suffering from within yourself by changing your own way of experiencing things, your own way of perception, so that you can, because if this has to be dependent on outside things and something out there, then you cannot completely do it, because even if you can change things, it will change back. Nothing is totally under our control, and even if we control, it's always changing because everything is impermanent. So therefore, only way is that if we can transform ourselves, change ourselves, our way of seeing, our way of reacting, our way of experiencing things, then yes. And this is what Buddha is, and this, that Buddha Shakyamuni taught Dharma, which, what we call Buddhism, because it was taught by Buddha. So this Buddha Shakyamuni, this Buddha is called Buddha Shakyamuni, is the founder of the Buddha Dharma or Buddhism now. Thank you.